Real estate is one of the most reliable ways to build long-term wealth. But many people believe you need a large amount of money to get started. That's not always the case. In this video, we're diving into different strategies that allow you to invest in real estate with little money. Whether you're new to investing or looking for creative ways to enter the market, we've got you covered. First up, we have house hacking, one of the most popular ways to invest in real estate with little money. The concept is simple. You buy a multifamily property such as a duplex or triplex, live in one unit and rent out the others. The rental income helps cover your mortgage, allowing you to build equity while keeping your living costs low. House hacking not only helps you get into real estate with less upfront money, but it also teaches you the ropes of property management. You can start small with an FHA loan, which typically requires a lower down payment, making it more accessible for first-time investors. Another great way to invest in real estate with little money is through real estate crowdfunding. Platforms like Fundrise, Realty Mogul, and CrowdStreet allow you to invest in large real estate projects alongside other investors. You can start with as little as $500 in some cases, giving you access to commercial real estate without needing to buy property yourself. Crowdfunding lets you diversify your real estate investments across multiple projects, providing passive income and growth potential without the hassle of managing properties. A rent-to-own agreement is another creative strategy that allows you to enter the real estate market with little money up front. In this arrangement, you rent a property with the option to buy it later. A portion of your monthly rent goes towards the purchase price, which helps you save for a down payment while living in the property. Rent-to-own is ideal if you want to invest but don't have the funds for a down payment right away. It gives you time to improve your credit or financial situation while still having a foot in the real estate market. If you don't have enough money to invest in real estate on your own, partnering with other investors is a powerful strategy. By teaming up with someone who has more capital, you can contribute your time, expertise, or management skills in exchange for an ownership share in a property. Partnerships allow you to get into deals that would otherwise be out of reach. The key is to find someone whose skills complement your own, such as someone who has money to invest but lacks the time to manage the property. Wholesaling real estate is a way to make money in real estate without actually buying property. Here's how it works. You find a distressed property, negotiate a contract to buy it at a discount, and then assign that contract to another buyer for a fee. Essentially, you act as a middleman between the seller and the buyer. Wholesaling requires little money up front because you never take ownership of the property, you're simply selling the contract. However, it does require good negotiation skills and the ability to find buyers quickly. Another low-cost way to invest in real estate is through real estate investment trusts, or REITs. REITs are companies that own and operate income-generating real estate such as office buildings, shopping centers, and apartment complexes. By investing in REITs, you can earn dividends from real estate without having to buy or manage properties yourself. REITs are publicly traded, meaning you can buy and sell shares like stocks. With REITs, you get the benefits of real estate investing, such as passive income and portfolio diversification, without needing a large amount of capital. So as you can see, investing in real estate doesn't always require a massive amount of money up front. From house hacking and crowdfunding to rent-to-own and wholesaling, there are plenty of ways to start building your real estate portfolio with limited funds. The key is to choose the strategy that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on real estate investing and wealth building strategies.